APLD stock analysis, this for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying is the question, and I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video. Look, I'm the only guy in the space who's done over 42,000 videos over 5 years, and I'm not just saying this just to say it. It's like literally the truth. And ultimately with APLD, since I've gotten this first break, if I don't have the second break above 1091, there's just no way that I'm gonna look to buy. I already got this first break here, which happened above 1060, right? And then unless there's a break above 1091, there's no way I'm looking to just double down and buy. And people are going to come here, overcomplicate stuff, but that's not what I'm going to do. You can see with APLD, I have like 48 results popped up in here. So sick. Like I mentioned, unless there's that proper shift, not buying. And I can show you even demonstration video proofs that I was bullish here when it was $5, right? 1 month ago. $5 at the time, we reached even $15. That's a 3x. So this sort of correction was kind of expected, and I'm looking to double down as long as there is a second break. Now, if you want a knowledge that I've learned over 5 years, and you can learn it in hours, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, more so like a get risk-free sauce that expires soon. First link below, all 5-star reviews, and you can see 1,200 people have tried it. Goodbye.